Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the main morning grain comments. Well, happy New Year's Eve to everyone, and let's be safe out there tonight and tomorrow. We had a nice little dusting of snow and cold temperatures overnight in Chicago, which made the commute this morning rather interesting. As far as the markets are concerned, mixed trade. We've got wheat right now up about a penny. Corn is down about a penny, and beans are also down about a penny. You've got oil higher, soybean oil lower, and soybean meal higher. And so at the end of this year, it certainly is going to be remembered as a crazy weather year. Also, we're hoping that soon there'll be a trade deal signed with U.S. and China, and they'll start coming in and buying products. We'll see if one of those buy the rumor, sell the fact type things, and if China's buying actually pushes prices higher. Some people think the wheat prices, futures, are getting close to a seasonal top, while bean prices are also approaching a top unless China comes in and buy. The corn market has struggling to rally. I think part of it has to do with the funds continue to sell corn. Also, the fact that corn may or may not be included in a deal. Without that, current export pace in corn, current ethanol pace in corn is below the level to meet USDA's numbers. Plus, we're looking at a favorable South American weather situation, which could reduce long-term U.S. corn exports unless we include China. For the decade, I mean, what a decade. We started out with record low prices, and then in 2005, China came in and started buying commodities. We introduced ethanol here in the United States, and the index funds came in and bought commodities as a hedge against inflation. 2012, we had a record drought here in the United States with record high prices, and then that encouraged globally non-U.S. countries to produce record crops, and that began to take away from U.S. export demand, which dropped prices until we had the weather year this past year. So we'll just kind of remember 2019 and try to forget what happened and hope 2020 is going to be better. The big thing, I think, in 2020, besides the trade deal, was the U.S. presidential election and what impact that might have on all markets. So again, a slippery drive in today, and we'll kind of be watching to see how the markets react at the end of the month, at the end of the year, and how we start out 2020. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.